Hi student, in this session we are learning about the subphylum Gnathostomata. What is Gnatho and Stomata? Gnatho means it is a jaws. Gnathos means here jaws. Stomata means mouth. Okay. See Gnathostomata. See vertebrata with jaw and pair appendages. See it is a present in this Gnathostomata. Next, this Gnathostomata also it is a classes is there. See, it is a 6 is there totally, but here in a fishes is a 2. It is a one is a contractis. See contractis, contract means it is a cartilage, means actis means fish. So it is a cartilage fish. We are learning the here cartilage fish. See what said? See these are a contractis, mostly is a living in marine fish with completely cartilaginous. See these are a marine and completely cartilaginous it is a exoskeleton, endoskeleton, cartilaginous endoskeleton. See the endoskeleton is totally made from cartilaginous, generally large in size. So it is a large in size up to it is a 10 to 20 meter long, up to 10 to 20 meter long. Okay, see these are a cartilage contractis. Next, their body is a streamlined. See, we have to see that their body is a streamlined body is there. Have you observed? See this like their body is a streamlined is there. See this like streamlined body, and see it is either laterally compressed. See we have to see the laterally these are a compressed, and see it is a spindle shaped. We have to see the spindle shaped. Spindle means this like. We have to see the spindle shape. Okay, see this like. This like structure is there. We are calling the this is a spindle shaped. Next we have to see the dorso-ventrally. It is a flattened and disc shaped. We have to see the here is a dorso-ventrally is a flattened is there. Okay. Next we have to see the skin is a tough and covered with minute plicoid scales. See we have to see that their skin is a tufted. Scales is present here. These are a scales. See these scales is a present. That's why their body is a tough, covered with the minute plicoid scales. Mouth is ventral in position. See we have to see that their mouth is a ventral in position. See respiration through gills. See we have to see the here is a gill flap is there. Respiration through the gills means is a taking the oxygen. See water along with the oxygen they are taking, and it is a respiration through the gills. And we have to see the 5 to 7. How many pairs is there? See here 5 or 7 pair of gills. See 5 or 7 pair of gills is there. 5 or 7 pair of gills and open outside mean of the gill slits. Open outside, it is a gill slits, and gill slit are not covered with gill cover. See, there is no gill cover on the, it is a. Next we have to see they have a pin for the locomotion. See, we have to see there is a pin, is a dorsal pin and pectoral pin. See, here is a pelvic pin, anal pin, caudal pin. What will happen? See, they are moving, they are motion, or they are swimming in the water. See, with the help of these fins, and see, we have to see the balance, and fins may be paid or medium. See, we have to see these pins is a pair is there or median is there. Tail or caudal pin is a heteroceral. So it is a tail also, it is a caudal pin is there. These are a heterocell, and muscular tail is used for the movement. We have to see the one beating, this like beating and moving the forward. See, these fishes. And we have to see the heart is a two-chambered. See, heart is two-chambered. Two-chambered heart is there. One is a auricle, another one is a ventricle. One is a auricle and another one is a ventricle. Two-chamber heart is present, and it is a digestive system has a J-shaped. See, digestive system is J-shaped. Digestive system is a J-shaped, and see, a stomach and intestine has a spiral wall. Next we have to see the sense of smell, vibration and reception, and electrical receptions are well developed. Sense, it is a sense of smell, and vibration and electrical. See what said? Electron reception. Electron see, we have to see their sense is a smell. See, and detecting the smell is their vibration. Vibration is a occurring in the water. What will happen? They can easily detecting, they can move. And elementary canal, and it is a duct open into the, it is a common apparatus called cloaca. It is a anal pins also is there. Next elementary canal is a next excreta. What is there? Excreta mean urea. Excreta is a urea. Excreta is a urea. Next we have to see the so many examples is there. Scoliodon examples. See, scoliodon. Scoliodon, and it is a torpedo. See, these are examples. We have to see the ones. Subphylum Gnathostomata is a fishes. Totally 6 classes is there. In the first classes is a fishes. See, Chondrichthyes. It is a these Chondrichthyes is a mainly it is a marine and completely cartilaginous endoskeleton is present. Next we have to see the large in size up to 10 to 20 meter long. So it is a 5 or 7 pair of gill slits also present. Next heart is a two chambered. See, one is the auricle, another one is the ventricle. Next digestive system is a J shaped is there. Some sense of smell, vibration, electron reception, they can detect. Okay, they can detect the any. See, they can detect the any if occurring in coming to the predators. See, they can easily detection. Next, excreta is a urea. See, example is a Scoliodon torpedo. See, these both examples is there. Next, we have to see the second class. Class 2 is a osteoctis. What is osteoctis? Osteon means bone. Osteon. See, osteon. Osteon means bone. See, we have to see the bone. Next, ichthys. Ichthys means fish. Fish. See, which fish is there? Bony fish. Which fish? Bony fish. See, we have to see the these bony fish also. It is a marine or fresh water, living in the marine and fresh water, and partially or whole bony endoskeleton. See, we have to see the these also marine, living in the marine. So it is a or fresh water and fresh water. See, partially or we have to see the partially or completely or partially or whole body made with see endoskeleton. Okay, endoskeleton, this one. Next we have to see the size varies from size, their size varies from is a 10 meter up to 10 mm, sorry, 10 mm up to it is a 4 meters. 4 meters. 4 meters. Next we have to see the skin is either naked or covered with see cycloid or ctenoid scales. Skin is covered with cycloid or ctenoid scales. Okay. Next we have to see the these are mouth is terminal in position. Mouth is terminal in position. Terminal position is their mouth. Next we have to see the 4 pair gills are present. See how many? 4 pairs. 4 pairs of gills present. How many? 4 pairs of gills is present. And see, they are covered by operculum. They are covered by operculum. Next we have to see the gills are filamentous and fish obtain oxygen dissolved in water. It is a gills are is a filamentous is there, filament like is present, and see they are taking the along with the water they are taking the oxygen also. See, by using dissolved, and tail or caudal fins are homoceral. Caudal fins are homoceral, and we have to see the cloaca is absent. Cloaca is absent. Anus and urinogenital apparatus are next excreta. Excreta is a ammonia. Excreta is ammonia. See, excreta is a ammonia. Heart also. Heart is two chambered. Heart is two chambered. Heart is two chambered. One is auricle. Another one is a ventricle. Two chamber heart only present in this fish. Lay eggs and external fertilization. See how to see the once this. See what's it? Osteoichthyes. It is a marine freshwater, partially or whole body is made with endoskeleton. Next size is a various from 10 mm up to 4 meter. See, skin is covered with cycloid or ctenoid scales. We have to see the cycloid or ctenoid scales is present. Mouth is terminal in position. See, 4 pairs of gills present. They are covered by operculum. Next, excreta is a ammonia. See, excreta is a ammonia. Heart is two chambered. One is auricle, another one is a ventricle. See, they lay eggs and external fertilization. Next, we have to see the here seahorse. Seahorse is there, and flying fish, lionfish. See, examples is a seahorse, see, lionfish. These are examples of the osteoichthyes. See, we have to see this one whole.